The Oraimo Watch 4 Plus is a smartwatch that offers a lot of cool and interesting features and functions for a reasonable price. Christmas is here and you might be looking for the perfect but budget-friendly gift for a loved one. In this review, I will go over all the features of this pocket-friendly watch. Can it pass as a useful gift this season? Surprisingly, I wasn't expecting to see some of the features that are on this watch that cost less than $30. One such feature is the ability of the watch to sync your phone contacts and make and receive phone calls on its own. I thought that was nice to see on a budget watch. What's up guys, it's Victor here again. We will discuss the build quality and design, display, specifications and features, connection, usage and value for money of this Oraimo Watch 4 Plus. In the timestamps, you will find sections of this video so you can easily navigate to what interests you most, but don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon to be notified when I post a new video like this one. Oraimo Watch 4 Plus comes in a clean, sturdy and premium packaging that has the Oraimo logo and a picture of the watch on the front, with some specifications and features of the watch listed. Inside the box, we have the watch itself, a magnetic charging cable, and a bulky welcome guide that has instructions in multiple languages. The welcome guide has a QR code that leads to the Oraimo Health app, which is needed to set up and use other features of the watch. The watch is covered in a sticker with a watch face design on it, and that is the watch face that comes with the watch by default out of the box. The charging cable is easy to use and attaches to the back of the watch magnetically. Now let's talk about the build quality and design of the Oraimo Watch 4 Plus. Oraimo Watch 4 Plus has a sleek and elegant design that looks good on the wrist. It has a slightly curved screen that follows the shape of the wrist and makes it easier to swipe and tap. The bands are made of TPU, which is the intersection between rubber and plastic, which makes them durable and comfortable. The bands can be removed and changed easily, which makes the watch a little bit modular and customizable, but I doubt that you can find the watch band in the market to buy. The watch is also very light in weight at 41 grams, and that means it is comfortable to wear for long periods of time. The watch is IP68 dust and waterproof, which means it can withstand dust, dirt, sand and submersion in water up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. However, the watch is not suitable for swimming, diving or hot water. The watch has a lot of inscriptions on the back, such as the model name and the IP rating. The back of the watch also has a heart rate sensor and a magnetic contact point for charging. The watch has only one button on the right side, which functions as the home and back button. The button is tactile and responsive. Also on the back, you will find the speaker and microphone on opposite sides, and because the back is not flat, sound can come out of the speaker even when the watch is worn. The display of the watch is one of its main selling points. The display size is 2.01 inches, which is larger than most smartwatches in the market. The display has a resolution of 240 by 282 pixels. Now I wish it was more pixel dense. The display is also bright and colorful and can be adjusted to different levels of brightness. It has a touch screen that is responsive and smooth. The display also shows the time, date, battery level and Bluetooth connection status, and can be turned on by raising the wrist, tapping the screen or pressing the home button. Let's now talk about the general specifications of this Oraimo Watch 4 Plus. This watch has a lot of specifications and features that make it a versatile and useful device. For starter, the watch has a 300 mAh battery that can last for up to 7 days on a single charge, and that is depending on the usage and settings that you are on. The watch can be fully charged in about 3 hours using the magnetic charging cable. The watch has a standby time of about 30 days and has a Bluetooth 5.2 connection. Because of the built-in speaker and microphone that we talked about earlier, the watch can be used to make and receive calls, and this is my absolute favorite feature on this watch. It also has a camera remote feature that lets you take pictures or start a video recording on the phone without touching your phone. Also, the music control feature lets you play, pause, skip and adjust the volume of the music playing on your phone. The watch has a lot of sensors that can measure health and fitness data, such as heart rate, blood oxygen, blood pressure, respiratory rates, sleep quality, steps and calories burned. It has a couple of sports modes that can track exercise or sports activity and performance, such as outdoor running, outdoor walking, treadmill, outdoor and indoor cycling, skipping, badminton, basketball, football, yoga and hiking. The watch also has a breath exercise feature that I found really helpful in helping me relax and reduce stress by guiding me through a breathing session. There is also a sedentary reminder feature that can remind you to stand up and move if you have been sitting for too long. To connect the watch to your smartphone and enjoy all of its features, you would have to download the Oraimo Health app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. The app is compatible with iOS 12 or Android 6 and above. You get a better user interface with all functionalities working as expected, including the dial center that allows you to customize and change the watch's dial face. The app can sync the watch data and settings with the phone. The Oraimo Health app also gives you access to other features like water intake reminder and hand watch reminder. The app can also customize notifications and alarms. Oraimo Watch 4 Plus is easy to use and has a user-friendly interface. The watch has a swipe-based navigation system that lets you access different functions and features. Swiping up from the bottom of the screen shows the notifications from various apps such as WhatsApp, Telegram, and more. You can choose which apps you want to receive notifications from in the Oraimo Health app. Swiping down from the top of the screen shows the quick settings such as the brightness, the do not disturb mode, the power saving mode, and the touchlight feature. Swiping right shows widgets such as the music controller. Swiping left shows other widgets like the step counter, heart, blood, oxygen, respiratory, and pressure rate monitors. Pressing the home button shows the main menu. Tapping on any of the icons opens the corresponding function or feature. Tapping on the home button returns to the previous screen or the watch face. Pressing and holding the home button turns the watch on or off. Now, let's discuss this watch's value for money. Is it worth it? The watch costs 25,600 naira on Oraimo's official store, which is a very affordable price for a smartwatch that offers these many features and functions, and that is in my own opinion. There is a link to this product in the description of this video that gives you some discounts if you use that link. Or better still, you can also use my promo code PRAISETECH to get about 5% off the price of this watch. So, the large and curved display, long battery life, and IP68 rating are all features that makes this watch a great choice for budget buyers. This watch stands out with its ability to make and receive calls directly, going beyond mere call notifications. It can control music and camera, display notifications, and track health and fitness data. And in my final submission, I think this is a great choice and a great device for anyone who wants a smartwatch that can do more than just tell the time. Like and share this video if it is helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell icon for more videos like this one. And until next time, see you when I see you. Merry Christmas.